Well, good afternoon, folks. It's another beautiful day here on the West Coast. I finished up all the welding, what I could, and then I put the first coat of that fiberglass body filler on, and I sanded it down. So here, like I said, instead of flapping my lips, I'll show you. One sec. Okay, as you can see, it all came out pretty decent. It's a little low spot right there, but I'm not worrying about that because I'm just going to cover it with the regular body filler, and yeah, and I'll take care of the rest. But all in all, it came out really decent. It's not, absolutely perfect. But yeah, I just have to put a little right here, because what I was worried about was Mustang hood is pronounced. It comes from where I welded it in here, comes up, lifts up, then it goes up, then it goes down over this lip and continues. And this being the stock hood right here, the Ford hood, it's flat. So when it came to here and hit here, automatically started going up, and I thought that was a defect from the heat, but no, it's just the way it is. So all I'm going to do is I'll just put a skim coat of body filler all the way along here, all the way completely around, and then I'll just sand it down, because all I have to fill in is a little valley right here. Right there. It's only about 3/4 of an inch wide, because when it comes down, when it comes along here, you can really feel a little dip here. But yeah, but nothing really. But yeah, I mean, like I said, it's not perfect. This is my first time. If I do it again, I'll do a lot of things different. Like, I won't butt weld. I will overlap this one onto the piece, whatever the piece is that I cut out here. Sorry, onto the Ford hood. I'll overlap it by 1/4 of an inch, and then weld it up here, flip it over, and then see if I can weld it. If I can't, then I'll just seam seal it with seam sealer. But all in all, it came out pretty decent. I'm rather happy with it. Like I said, if I do it again, there's a lot of things I would change. But yeah, I kind of like the way it feels here now. Because like I said, here's another area. It comes along flat here with the Ford hood, then it comes up right there. It starts to come up right there. But that's the way the Mustang hood went. Because you can see how it's more pronounced in the crown there. So yeah, so anyhow, that's my big update for today. So I'll bring you back when I've got the final coat on and sanded down, and we will go from there. Like I said, I think it looks pretty cool. Okay, buddy, have a great day. Love your family, and peace out and build on. Bye.